My name is Aniket Arvind. I'm an intern here at Emergence AI, and I'm going to be telling you how you can actually integrate Emergence's state-of-the-art web orchestrator with OpenAI's Swarms. So the way I'm going to be doing this is I'm going to be walking you through this Git repo that I created, essentially detailing to you how you can essentially accomplish this task. So the first thing you're going to want to do is clone this repository, and make sure that when you actually clone this repository that you replace the username over here with your proper GitHub username. So once we clone this, we can cd into Swarms Emergence integration, and we can set up our virtual environment. All right, and then we can just simply activate that virtual environment. All right, so now that we've accomplished the virtual environment section of the Git repo README file, we can safely download all of the proper requirements for this project. Let's just um, let's just do that right now. So you'll notice all of these dependencies are downloading, and these are the required dependencies to run the project. So this will take about another couple seconds to do. All right, so once we've done this, the key is to set up a .env file to store our emergence API key. So I'll walk you through how to do that in just a second, as soon as this finishes installing. All right, so now that we've finished downloading all of the required prerequisites for the project, we can just clear, and then we can actually create our .env file. So I'm working in a terminal here, but ideally you're working in your own VS Code project, so you have your own, sort of in-house terminal there. But here we simply just create the .env file, and then we can nano into it. All right, so what we're going to do is just copy this template and replace it with our emergence API key. So I'll be right back. I'm just going to get the API key, and I'll meet you back here. All right, so now that we've inputted our emergence API key into our .env file, we're good to go in terms of environment setup. So we can just do Command X, Y, enter. And so our env file is done, and we can now safely run our main.py file. All right, so we can enter our prompt. You can feel free to type in anything you want. I'm just going to type in what is the state of the VC space in, or I'll say right now. So it's now starting up the conversation. Again, it's polling to output the correct format and make sure that the output is a result of a success for this specific workflow ID. So it's going to take about 15 seconds per polling attempt. And if the output is not a success, and it's still in progress, it then calls another poll attempt. So this will happen for about on average, 3 to 4 times before you see an output. But we should see an output in about 10 to 15 seconds. Um, so let's just wait here, and we should see it soon. Yep. So here you can see that this output is exactly what we want. It details the state of the overall VC space right now in 2025. Um, So this is super cool, using Swarms' or rather OpenAI's Swarms package and orchestration software with Emergence's Web Orchestrator. Thank you.